In this video we will show how to perform a plot survey, associate attributes and export them to GIS with TcpGPS. First, let's define a new code with polygon geometry, giving the outline and fill colors. When measuring points with this code, the plots will be drawn automatically. Now let's define the attributes that we want to link to each parcel. To do this, we select the layer associated with the code and delete the default attributes. Next, we will create two new fields, one with the number of the plot and another with the name of the owner. Now we can select the plot we just surveyed and fill in its attributes. We repeat the process with two other new plots that we have measured, filling in the same way the data of each one. Finally, we proceed to export the plots. First of all, we choose the shape format, which is widely used in geographic information systems. We leave selected only the plots layer and press the export button. The file that contains the layer attributes, with DBF extension, can be opened directly with Excel. We see that all the data are displayed, in addition to the area and perimeter fields, which are calculated automatically. Finally, in QGIS we add a vector layer and choose the shapefile that we have exported before. We see that the three plots that we have measured are displayed. If we open the attribute table, we see that they are also shown.